I have a Jeep Wrangler here. This one got drugged down the side. It's getting a new fender. Both doors are getting repaired. Then the majority of the damage is down low, all the way across here. So this one's actually going to get a B-pillar section, which I have right here. Then once this is cut off and out of the way, I'll be able to get back behind this section here and this front section, and I should be able to repair both of those pieces once this is cut off. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this and get this B-pillar cut off. Today's episode is brought to you by Panther Pro with their Durabond RL Easy glass removal kit. This simplifies the process of removing glued-in glass on all of your typical vehicles. So, I met these guys at the SEMA show this last year, and we started talking about how I, as a body technician, would like to start removing my own glass and doing a lot of my own glass work. And they showed me this fantastic machine right here, and we started talking, and here we are now, and I have now been practicing using the RL Easy, and I'll tell you guys what, it is very easy using this machine to cut out glass. So all you body technicians out there that have thought about doing your own glass work, this is the tool you need. It is fantastic. Be sure to go check it out, pantherpro.com. I'm gonna go ahead and fit this B-pillar skin on. I know I still have work to do up there, but I want to see how it lines up in the back. And it looks like it's nice and flush. It lines up very nice. So this is in good shape. There's just a few holes I need to weld up. The front, on the other hand, still has some work to be done. So I'm gonna start working on that now. So I welded a tab on the front edge here in order to bring that out a little bit. So I have this one all fit together, and my doors line up nice and even with good gaps. Fender lines up nice as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lift these doors back off, cover everything up, and get this B-pillar all welded in, and then I will finish up my work on these other two sections. And then whenever that's all done, I have these two doors to repair across the bottom, a little bit there, across the bottom of this one. So I went ahead and I refit the doors and everything on this to get them exactly where they're supposed to sit, because once they paint this thing, these sit on pins and you don't want to have to adjust these once it's painted because you'll end up breaking the clear coat. So you want to get them in perfect adjustment before it's painted, which is what I have right now. So now I will just lift these doors off the pins, lift the fender back off, and send this one over to our paint department to get it painted.